So my name is Sneha Purohit and I am a video editor intern in GreenTree Global. So what I do is related to marketing. I create videos and I do live sessions which are related to GT Academy. GT Academy is a educational sector in GreenTree Global itself. So it is a subdivision of GreenTree Global. GT Academy provides courses in sustainability, energy and mobility sector. So what I do is I recreate the videos which are on the portal. I recreate videos for online and offline courses which are there on portal itself. And from being from a design background, it was a bit difficult for me to understand sustainable domain. Like it was very difficult for me to understand these things, but because of some of my seniors, because of Dhruv sir, it became much more easier for me to understand all the things which I had to do. So yeah, it is a good journey.